Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Afiq bin Azman.
Hi, my name is Afiqah.
My name is Nadia binti Zulkifli.
For our assignment non-destructive testing, we decide to choose liquid penetrate inspection, which is dye penetrate testing, because we think that dye penetrate is more suitable for our current situation, which is pandemic, and also our class online. The main purpose of we decide to choose dye penetrate because of the equipment of dye penetrate is portable, and secondly is because of the equipment of dye penetrate is more cheaper than others, and also the most important thing is dye penetrate can use to all material, which is non-ferrous and ferrous material. To meet dye penetrate testing, we decide to choose two types of material, which is non-ferrous material and also ferrous material. For non-ferrous material, we choose ceramic, which is tile. We predict that we will find a defect on tile is pinhole, scratch or line, crack and grease. And for the ferrous material, we decide to choose L bracket. We predict that we will find the defect on L bracket, which is pinhole, scratch or line, and crack. Crack will be happen on the L of bending of this L bracket.
Okay, now I will explain about how we're planning to conduct non-destructive material testing. First, we choose two material which is that available near to our house. The two object is L bracket and also the tile ceramic. Next, we find out the defect, or we predict the defect that have on these two objects. Why we choose liquid penetrate testing? Because first, the method high sensitive to a small surface discontinuities. Second is large amount of part or material can be inspected at a low cost. Thirdly, this method have few limitations. Fourth, this method has very portable equipment and easy to go. And lastly, this method can show the result instantly after the testing have been done. After we decide the testing, we are using a dummy equipment to conduct the testing. For your information, liquid penetrate testing equipment is the most easiest equipment that we can prepare. The more detail about how we conducting this testing, we have a video on methodology part. The limitation in this assignment, we cannot conduct a real non-destructive testing due to the pandemic, and also we cannot use actual equipment to running the test.
For the methodology of the penetrant testing, you can see the video that has been provided by us. As a result, for the discussion of the dye penetrant testing, we found two serious defects in these two samples. The first one is the cracked tiles, and the second one is a scratching problem in both of these materials. Cracked tiles are often the result of a variety of problems, the most common of which is improper installation. However, they can also be caused by extreme temperature fluctuation. Subsequently, contact with an abrasive surface such as sandpaper or unpolished wood or concrete can cause a scratch.
To conclude this assignment tasking, we'll be able to perform a non-destructive testing on the object even though we are not using a real equipment, but we have an experience that we are performed in a real situation. Next is we are able to select and apply an appropriate technique that our lecturer have been teach in the class. We are able to find out the defect that have on the object. I, as a representative in this group, would like to thank to Madam Nuzaima for teaching us in material selection and fracture testing. Thank you.